Introduction to Psychology. I don't have a certified public psychologist qualification yet. However, through my own recovery journey from depression, OCD, and complex PTSD, I became very interested in psychology and have been studying it. Today, I want to explain the basics of what is psychology in a simple way for beginners. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It doesn't just talk about feelings. It uses experiments and data to understand how humans think and act. Psychology has several major branches. First, clinical psychology. This field supports people who are struggling with mental health issues. It is deeply involved in the treatment and counseling of depression, PTSD, obsessive compulsive disorder, and other conditions. Second, cognitive psychology. This studies mental processes such as memory, attention, learning, and thinking. It helps me understand how I learn in English every day and how memories are formed. Third, developmental psychology. This examines how the human mind develops from infancy to adulthood. It is also useful for understanding the effects of growing up with toxic parents. Fourth, social psychology. This studies how people behave in groups and social situations. Understanding this can make human relationships feel a little easier. The greatest benefit of learning psychology is that you can view your own mind more objectively. Thanks to psychology, I am now able to see my rumination and nightmares not just as symptoms but as understandable mechanisms. Of course, psychology doesn't solve everything. Still, getting to know your own mind is a very important first step toward recovery. I would like to gradually share more basic psychology knowledge on Note from now on. I hope this will be helpful for anyone who is also working on mental recovery. Thank you for reading. See you again.